Hi, Dr. Horan. This is Laura Campen. This is my introduction video. I am currently a third-year teacher teaching second grade in Milton, Georgia. And a fun fact about me is that I'm left-handed, but also that I come from a family of teachers. So my mom is a teacher. She's retired now, but she taught for 33 years, kindergarten and first grade. My sister is currently teaching fifth grade. And also my aunt and my grandma were teachers, so watching that growing up kind of inspired me to want to become a teacher. I'm currently getting my master's in educational psychology, gifted in creativity. I started the program in the summer of 2018, so this is my third semester in graduate school. But I'm in this program because I entered the education field 3 years ago, and I really felt like I was being supported a lot with lifting the levels of my struggling learners, but not really being supported as much with my higher level learners and gifted learners. And I really feel like that's something that's important, to be able to support the levels of all learners and have strategies to do that. So I wanted to enter this program because of that reason. I don't really have much experience with research. I'm still kind of understanding, what is action research and what that kind of means and what's going to be happening in this course. This week's reading and the video helped me to kind of understand what I'll be doing throughout this semester. But some things that I might be interested in, and like I said, I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I might want to do, but some ideas that I had is learning how to transition my class to become more differentiated. I am currently differentiating, but I feel like there's more ways that I could research of how to actually implement this into my classroom, more frequently. But also, another idea I had is increasing the incorporation of creativity into my teaching. In our classes that we've been taking, I feel like I've learned a lot about creativity, how it's important to include for gifted students. However, I feel like I really want to know more of, how can I actually put this into action and put this into my classroom so that I give students more opportunities to be creative in their learning. The goal that I have for the end of the course and my degree is that I'll have strategies and resources that can really help to build my gifted learners and support them. I want to be able to support everyone, and so I want to make sure that I'm creating a learning environment where all my students are feeling like they're being challenged and growing to be their best self and reach their full potential. So I'm looking forward to working with you this semester, and I can't wait. Bye.